this beautiful card holder that one of my neighbors gave to me. And then I have this beautiful runner.
It's December and the snow is falling. Singing songs about our favorite snowman. We're all gathered here underneath the starry night, under the mistletoe with you here by my side, on our way to a winter wonderland. I'm seeing all the gifts around me, all the kids are shine when they see Santa Claus. There's just one thing I need. All I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. I wanna wake up with you next to me, lying underneath the Christmas tree. Oh, all I want is Christmas with you. I know I'm on a list and you're checking it twice. Gonna find out who's been naughty and who's been nice. There won't be cold this year in my stocking, 'cause I've been good and I know that's not me. So Santa Claus, it's just one thing I need. All I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. I wanna wake up with you next to me, lying underneath the Christmas tree. Oh, all I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. I wanna wake up with you next to me, lying underneath the Christmas tree. Oh, all I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. Christmas with you.
See, Lisa? At home with Lisa? I told you you gave me inspiration. Thank you guys for looking at another video. If you are one of my current subscribers, thank you for continuing to rock with me. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel and this is your first video, look around the channel and go ahead and show your girl some love and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the Estelle-Creative-Designs channel. Now guys, you know what I always say, but if you're new here, you're gonna hear this for the first time. Don't you let nobody disturb your peace and your joy. Kick them to the curb. If you have toxic people in your life, toxic co-workers, toxic supervisors, send prayers up. Trust me, it works. It works. Be blessed this holiday season. Bye, guys.